welcome. This is 2023 Chrome Mixer 2-box, PYT number 18, HTA and Delight. I took my hoodie off so I wouldn't bump into the camera with it. So, oh, you don't even get to see the white part because the green screen doesn't go high enough. Lucinda, guess again. Solace was already guessed. Yeah, Tops is first. Because that's how we did it on the last break. I have to wait for Lucinda to get a guess in because I offered her 3 times on her guess and someone already guessed the loss. Okay, it's fine. We'll give you 3 times if Salas comes in, even though it was already guessed. Oh, there we go. New one. Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. We are good. Good luck, everyone. Ooh. I see a lot of pinks. Jonathan India. Brandon Crawford. Charlie Blackman. Byron Buxton, Castellanos, and Oscar Gonzalez. Buy your teams in Cosmic number 60. That should be next. Michael Conforto. Negative. Did anyone guess Drury? Brandon Drury. If not, we'll roll it. Did anyone guess Jordan Alvarez? Houston to 399. All right, last roll. We're going to give it to the orange auto. Mastrobuoni. I've never heard of him. And Drew Waters. Mastrobuoni. Watch out. All right, we'll roll it to the next box. We want a winner. We want a winner. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. What? Almost looks like Trout. All right, now on to HTA. All right, we'll count it for the refractor. Andy Perez, Joey Estes, and our refractor auto is Delgado. Did anyone guess any colored card in that break? Delgado for the Yankees. All right, here's our recap. I guess the timing of the hat didn't really coincide with our first massive hit. That was the break. 2023 Chrome Mixer 2-box PYT 18. Thank you for joining.